That's a good thing, actually. That's a. There he is. I got him. Gross. If you like these kind of videos, comment below, like, share, and subscribe. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram. These are very mature nematodes known as microworms. Look at that. That's by far the best shot I've ever got. Wow. Gross. Well, these are really good fish food. Especially baby fish. They love this stuff. What they'll do is they'll crawl up the side. You're looking at the side of the glass right here. And they're crawling up the side of the glass because they actually breathe air. Their food's down below, and so they're crawling up the glass right now. What you do is you just take your finger and you scoop a bunch out and you put it right in your fish tank. What's interesting is this particular culture is about, God, it's got to be about 4 months old. I actually forgot I had it and I just found it. It was like really still very active. I have another nematode to show you guys too that I actually culture on a regular basis. So these are microworms.